Hey, what's happening, heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get in this video, go in this video, big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. Come on, man.
Hey, it's too easy. It's too easy.
And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and check out our video unboxing of our pandas. We did have a low and high that we did get in, and we unboxed those with y'all. I am a fan of the IEs. I did purchase my first IE right here. So we will do a live unboxing with y'all. Normally we don't do the unboxings on this one, but you know, all these shoes are starting to stock up. So bam, got these. Now what I do recommend is this is the time if you're a real sneakerhead, everything is going on sale. And so like believe it or not, I was able to cop these for half off. These normally retail for $185. I got this pair right here for $95. Probably paid about $112 or $115 with taxes, but this is, again, a clean colorway. That 11 low IE, white, tan, and gray. I do plan to be rocking these soon. And this is similar to what is going to come out again. It does, the shoe that's coming out has not came out before. This black and white pair is kind of like a reverse of the normal red colorway that they normally have. It's patent leather right here, normally where the white is. But on this one, it's actually canvas right here. And where you see this brown at right here, I'm not sure if you can pick that up because of lighting, but where it's tan at, normally that's going to be the patent leather. So in my opinion, that is a clean colorway. I probably won't go for them right off the bat, but if they do plan to go on sale, I might pick these up down the line. So I'm rocking these as far as the color, but I will not be going for these, you know, when they first release. But maybe down the line, like I said, if I can get them for sale like I got these, yeah, I'm gonna scoop them up. So let us know in the comments, sneakerheads. You're gonna be rocking these brand new Jordan 11 low, IE black and white, aka pandas. How about you, my brother?
Hey, I was never a fan of that shoe. So I keep it short and to the point. Thumbs down. Thumbs down.
Yes, sir.
Hey, shoot us a comment down below if you rocking these or dropping these. Yes, sir. Hey, if y'all continue to like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Bless others. Peace.
peace.